In last lecture, we have seen the conformation of cyclohexane, chair conformation and boat conformation, and also we have focused on stability of chair conformation and boat conformations. Chair conformation is more stable than boat conformation, or boat conformation is less stable than chair conformation. Next, that is mono-substituted cyclohexane. Mono-substituted cyclohexane means cyclohexane containing one substituent, that is C6H11. X may be substituent. For example, methyl cyclohexane. Methyl cyclohexane methyl group at equatorial position, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5, 6. After flipping, we'll get CH3. CH3 chair form where substituent is at equatorial position. Another chair form where substituent is axial position. Methyl group is at equatorial position and methyl group is at axial position. We know that conversion of one chair form into another chair form, in that axial get converted into equatorial or equatorial get converted into axial. Then we see that which is the more stable, either axial methyl group is more stable, or if methyl group occupies at equatorial position, whether that is more stable. Then we'll focus on the stability this can be explained with help of model. The cyclohexane ring, either methyl substituent at carbon number 1, the axial substituent. If you flip that, axial become equatorial. Axial become equatorial, or in next, that is equatorial becomes axial. Then we'll focus on the stability, whether this conformation is more stable or this conformation is more stable. This can be explained by drawing the Newman projection formula. By drawing the Newman projection formula for the both form, methyl group at axial position and methyl group at equatorial position. First of all, methyl group at axial position. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. You have to look or observe molecule from carbon number 2 and carbon number 4. Draw the Newman projection formula for this. Carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, one hydrogen is above the plane, this hydrogen is below the plane. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Then rare carbon, that is methyl group, hydrogen, 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 carbon number 6, hydrogen and hydrogen. Front side carbon, that is carbon number 2, 3, 4. These 3 carbon atoms are front side, and rear side carbon atom, carbon number 1, carbon number 6 and carbon number 5. This is a Newman projection formula. Then this is a similar to butane-Koch interaction. CH3 hydrogen, hydrogen, CH3 C hydrogen, hydrogen. This is similar to butane-Koch interaction, that is Koch conformation of N-butane, Koch conformation of N-butane. Here one three diaxial interactions, 1,3 diaxial interactions, and in butane Koch interaction, energy for one Koch interaction, that is 0.9 kilocalorie per mole. If axial methyl group is there, then C3 carbon is Koch with methyl group, as well as if you look molecule from carbon number 1 and carbon number 3, then C5 carbon is Koch with methyl group. Therefore, if substituent is at axial position or methyl group is at axial position, there are 2 butane Koch interactions. Therefore, energy calculation 0.9 into 2, that is 1.8 kilocalorie per mole. Here we'll draw the Newman projection formula for methyl group if that methyl group is at equatorial position. Methyl group at equatorial position. Hydrogen, 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 carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. Okay. You have to observe this molecule or look this molecule from carbon number 2 and carbon number 4. Newman projection formula for this hydrogen, hydrogen, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, that are front side carbon atoms, hydrogen above the plane, hydrogen below the plane. Hydrogen, 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 carbon number 6. Hydrogen above the plane, hydrogen below the plane. Okay, then this is a Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula if methyl group, sorry, here is methyl group CH3 at equatorial position, no such a Gauge interaction is there as like here this structure. Therefore, absence of butane Gauge interaction if methyl group is at equatorial position. Therefore, methyl group or equatorial isomer is more stable than axial isomer. Because in axial isomer there are two butane Gauge interactions or 1,3 axial interactions which increases the energy 1.8 kilocalorie per mole. Therefore, whatever that substituents always occupy equatorial position, that is preferred position. Okay, then we'll see the effect of size of substituent. effect of size of substituents here. In last example we have seen the substituent is methyl. Then we'll see what is the energy difference if replacement of methyl by any other substituent. What is the difference, means whether that is at axial position and equatorial position, that difference you have to mention here. X H in flip conversion of axial into equatorial. Then list of substituents and here free energy difference in kilocalorie per mole. Substituent is X. If cyano is a substituent, then energy difference is 0.2 kilocalorie per mole. If substituent is cyano, then difference in energy, if cyano is at axial position and cyano is at equatorial position, that difference is energy difference is 0.2 kilocalorie per mole. Then if substituent is fluorine, then energy difference is 0.25. Next substituent is, if substituent is iodine, then that difference is 0.46. As bulkiness goes on increasing, energy difference between axial and equatorial, that goes on increasing. The next substituent, that is OCH3, that difference is 0.75 kilocalorie per mole. Next is hydroxyl group is there, then difference is 0.9. Next COH carboxylic group is there, then difference in energy 1.4 kilocalorie. Already we have seen if methyl is as a substituent, then that difference is 1.8 kilocalorie per mole. Then if ethyl group is there as a substituent, then energy difference 1.9 kilocalorie per mole. Next substituent is CH3, then difference is 2.2 kilocalorie per mole. If substituent is C6H5 benzene as a substituent, then difference is 3.0 kilocalorie per mole. If tertiary butyl group is there, then that difference is greater than 4. Here we will observe severe interactions, and therefore generally that tertiary butyl group occupies at equatorial position, that we call as a locking of conformation.